Ever been staring at your screen, billing codes swirling in your head, a patient's claim stuck in limbo, and you just need help? Like, right now? You're using Office Ally, you know it's powerful, you know it's supposed to streamline things, but something's gone sideways. And all you can think is, how in the world do I get a real person on the line? You're not alone. In the complex world of healthcare billing and practice management, glitches happen. Questions arise. And when they do, you need support fast. You need to know how to reach Office Ally customer care, and you need to know exactly how to get the most out of that interaction. Let's be honest, navigating customer support can feel like navigating a maze. Automated menus, endless hold times, and generic responses. It's enough to make anyone's blood pressure rise. But it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're going to demystify the process and give you the insider scoop on how to contact Office Ally customer care effectively. We'll cover everything from the standard phone lines to the less obvious, but often more efficient, digital channels. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Why is contacting customer support sometimes so frustrating? Well, Office Ally, like many large platforms, serves a vast user base. This means they handle a massive volume of inquiries daily. They're dealing with everything from simple login issues to complex EDI rejections, and everything in between. So, while they strive to provide prompt assistance, the sheer volume can sometimes lead to delays. But that's where you come in. By knowing the best ways to contact them, and by being prepared with the right information, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to get your issues resolved. Let's start with the most traditional method, the phone. Yes, the good old-fashioned phone call. It's still a vital tool, especially when you need immediate assistance or have a complex issue that requires real-time conversation. The primary Office Ally customer support phone number is usually available on their website, often within the Contact Us or Support sections. Make sure you have this number handy. But here's the key, don't just dial and hope for the best. Before you call, prepare. Jot down your account number, the specific issue you're experiencing, and any relevant details like patient IDs, claim numbers, or error messages. The more information you can provide up front, the faster the support team can assist you. When you call, be patient but persistent. Listen carefully to the automated menu options and choose the one that best matches your issue. If you're unsure, opting for a general support line is usually a safe bet. When you finally get a representative on the line, be clear and concise. Explain your issue calmly and provide all the information you've gathered. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if something isn't clear. And if you're given a reference number or ticket number, write it down immediately. This will be crucial for follow-up. But what if you're not a fan of phone calls? Or what if you're dealing with an issue that doesn't require immediate attention? That's where Office Ally's digital channels come into play. One of the most valuable resources is their online support portal. This portal is a treasure trove of information, including FAQs, user guides, and troubleshooting articles. Often, you can find the answer to your question right here, without ever having to contact a representative. To access the support portal, log into your Office Ally account and look for the Help or Support section. Here, you can search for specific topics, browse through categories, or even submit a support ticket. Submitting a support ticket is a great option for non-urgent issues. It allows you to provide detailed information about your problem, including screenshots and error messages. Once submitted, you'll typically receive a confirmation email with a ticket number. The benefit of submitting a ticket is that it creates a documented record of your issue. This can be helpful if you need to escalate the issue or refer back to previous communications. Another digital channel to consider is Office Ally's email support. While phone and ticket submissions are often preferred, email can be useful for sending detailed documentation or requesting specific information. The email address for support is typically found on their website. When emailing, be sure to include your account number, a clear subject line, and a detailed description of your issue. Attach any relevant files or screenshots to help the support team understand your problem. 1. 1. How to contact customerservice.com. How to contact customerservice.com. Now, let's talk about some pro tips for getting the most out of your Office Ally customer care interactions. First, be specific. Instead of saying, "My claims aren't working," try saying, "Claim number 12345 for patient John Doe is showing an error code of XYZ, and the payer is ABC Insurance." This level of detail allows the support team to quickly pinpoint the issue. Second, be patient. Remember that the support team is there to help you. They're dealing with a high volume of inquiries, and they may need time to research your issue. Being polite and patient will go a long way in ensuring a positive outcome. Third, document everything. Keep a record of all your interactions, including phone calls, emails, and support tickets. This documentation can be invaluable if you need to escalate the issue or refer back to previous communications. Fourth, utilize Office Ally's training resources. They offer a variety of training materials, including webinars, tutorials, and user guides. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these resources can help you avoid common issues and troubleshoot problems on your own. Fifth, consider joining Office Ally's user community or forums. These online communities can be a valuable source of information and support. You can connect with other users, share tips and tricks, and even get answers to your questions from experienced professionals. Sixth, if you have repeated issues, consider escalating the issue. Sometimes, even the best support teams can miss things. If you're not getting the resolution you need, don't hesitate to ask to speak with a supervisor or manager. Lastly, remember that Office Ally is constantly updating its platform and support resources. Stay informed about these changes by subscribing to their newsletters or following their social media channels. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and avoid potential issues. Now, let's address some common questions people have when contacting Office Ally customer care. What are the best hours to call? Typically, early morning or late afternoon tend to have shorter wait times. How long should I wait for a response to my support ticket? They usually provide an estimated response time, but it can vary based on volume. Can I get support for third-party integrations? Yes, but you may need to provide specific details about the integration. What if I forget my account number? You can usually retrieve it through your login credentials or by providing other identifying information. Ultimately, contacting Office Ally customer care shouldn't be a daunting task. By being prepared, patient, and persistent, you can get the help you need quickly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.